Are you aware that the human body functions the best at a pH level that is slightly on the alkaline side? Do you know that there are high quality foods that you can consume on the alkaline diet and it enhances health status? Have you tried these foods that helps to restore your body's pH value? Do you know by adding these high quality foods, it will make your body's pH level to function properly? Well, sit back and relax because today in this video, we will be revealing the alkaline foods that you should be eating every day. Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Ideas, where we will be sharing some tips and ideas on natural ways to become healthy, wellness, home remedies, natural cure, and some ways and means to stay safe and healthy. And always remember, life is beautiful. Not too many people are informed, but the human body works the best at the pH level that is somewhat on the alkaline side. There will be instances that the range of pH level is from completely acidic or 0 to 14 alkaline. Preferably, to make the body's pH level to function properly, it should sit around ranges 7.35 to 7.45. Well, sadly, a lot of people consume a highly diet processed food that contains high in sugar. This will cause the body's pH level to turn into acidic. As a result, a lot of people are walking around and do not know that they are acidic and their pH levels are not stabilized. An acidic pH level is responsible for heart diseases, cancer, stroke, allergies, autoimmune diseases, skin disorders, and high blood pressure. Fortunately, the body's pH value can be restored. Here are some high-quality foods that you can consume on the alkaline diet and enhance the health status. Sounds exciting, right? But before we start, please thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated every time we upload a new video. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is a vegetable that has numerous health properties. This includes the alkaline effects. This is mainly from the fact that it has high content of chlorophyll, which makes the spinach restore the pH level because it is an alkalizing agent to the body. Aside from its alkaline qualities, spinach is also full of essential vitamins and minerals that includes vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B2, iron, folate, potassium, manganese, and magnesium. This is why spinach alone can make the body feel the run better capacity. Spinach can prevent heart disease, anemia, cancer, skin damage, muscle weakness, and signs of aging. To get the better results, you can make spinach cooked, raw, or blended into a smoothie. Just consume for at least 1 cup of spinach a day. Number 2. Kale. Kale is another green leafy vegetables that you must add to your daily diet. It provides detox and antioxidant properties and has a capacity to balance or maintain pH body levels. It also contains many nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, manganese, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, iron, copper, protein, and magnesium. With all of these health benefits, experts said that kale can help to reduce blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, reduce the risk of cancer, and help to lose weight 4 times per week, and you can consume at least 2 cups of kale to gain its multiple health benefits. Number 3. Bell peppers. The bell peppers does not only help to neutralize or balance the acid in your body, it also increases the pH level to alkaline. Aside from that, bell pepper can help in lowering the blood pressure, reduce anxiety, fight cancer, and reduce inflammation. You can eat bell pepper in different ways like raw, grilled, roasted, or baked. For better results, you can consume at least 1 cup of bell pepper for 3 to 4 times per week. Number 4. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass helps to remove poison from the body. Because of this, it protects the liver from harmful toxins or substances. Wheatgrass helps to lose weight, stabilize blood sugar, boost energy, and fight cancer cells. You can consume wheatgrass in several forms, like if you are using powder form, just add 1 teaspoon of wheatgrass powder and mix it with a glass of water and consume it each day. Another way is juice from the raw plant. Just consume 1 to 2 ounces per day. 5. Avocados. Avocados is a fruit that is packed with minerals and essential vitamins that restores the body's pH level to its optimal level, and it flushes out harmful substances from the body. In this manner, avocados help the immune system, digestive, circulatory, and cardiovascular system. Considering that avocados are nutritious to the body, it is advisable to consume them every day. Avocados can be added to almost any dish. You can also make a smoothie out of it. Number 6. Celery. Celery is a restorative, healthy leaf. It can usually be seen on every diet's menu. Celery is a diuretic, or sometimes called water pills. It aids in eliminating any excess fluids in our body. It also restores the pH level back into alkaline level and balances body acidity. So, consuming 2 to 3 stalks per day is an ideal because celery keeps the body in an alkaline state. 7. Lemons. This may be out of the ordinary because lemons are much seen as an acidic fruit. In fact, they are high in alkaline properties. It has something to do with the metabolization of the citric acid in lemons. They contribute an alkaline effect on the body. They help to purify and detox the body through minerals like iron and calcium. Lemon can actually help the immune system and digestive system to function properly. Lemons also helps in controlling the blood pressure, weight loss, and can fight off cancerous cells. In order to achieve the benefits from lemons, make sure to drink it first thing you wake up in the morning and on an empty stomach. Just squeeze the lemon juice and mix it with a glass of lukewarm water. Wait for 30 minutes prior before you consume any food. Number 8. Cucumbers. Cucumber is another vegetable that is high in water content, and it flushes out harmful toxic substances from the body. Cucumbers helps to restore the body's pH level by neutralizing the acids and can reduce inflammation. Cucumbers are a great source of vitamins and minerals. They have low calories and keeps the body hydrated. If you have a healthy eating plan, then you should add cucumber to your list. It helps to improve blood sugar levels, digestion, heart health, and gets rid of excess weight. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the greatest essential foods to eat in order to keep an alkalized pH level. Broccoli alkalizes the body because it contains phytochemicals. It also increases estrogen dominance and reduces estrogen. Broccoli contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps to improve the cardiovascular, integumentary system, the immune system, and digestive system. It also contains numerous vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, vitamin K, potassium, folate, fiber, protein, manganese, and iron. You can make steamed or roasted broccoli. Consume it at least 4 times per week. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic has beyond a good restoring pH level in the body. Garlic contains vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, copper, manganese, selenium, and calcium. Garlic acts as an antiviral food, antifungal food, antioxidant, and antibacterial food. In order to neutralize the body's acids and restore the pH level, the garlic should be chopped or crushed. The reason is the garlic will release an important sulfur compound. Consume at least 2 to 4 garlic cloves each day and your pH level will stabilize. Therefore, if you eat spinach, kale, wheatgrass, bell peppers, avocados, lemons, celery, broccoli, cucumber, and garlic, it will eventually help in body's pH value to be restored. Adding these high quality foods will make your body's pH level to function properly. So, what do you think about the video that we shared? Are you considering it? Please write your comments below and share your tips and amazing ideas. And by the way, are you going to include these foods to your diet every day? Which food are you likely to eat the most out of the list that we have shared?